Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install Laravel and how to create a simple Laravel project on a Windows operating system. Now to install Laravel, it is very important to have PHP Composer installed on your system. So for that I have already made a detailed video on how to install PHP Composer. You can follow that video. Once you have Composer installed, you can again jump back to this video to know how to install Laravel and creating a Laravel project. So now that you have Composer already installed on your system, you can just simply go to favorite browser and just type over here Laravel and hit enter. Just simply go to the official site of Laravel. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Here to switch to docs, and as you scroll down over here, you will see this command called Composer Global require Laravel /installer. So you simply copy this command and minimize your browser and go to your search and type cmd to open your command prompt. And within command prompt, just right click and paste that command. So see, we have a Composer command which is what we are running. So that's why it is very important to have PHP Composer installed locally on your system. So that's why I told you to follow this video to install Composer. It is very important. Once you have Composer installed, just run this command on your command prompt, hit enter. I can see that our command is rightly started executing. So you need to have active internet connection during this installation. And there you go. You can see that our installation is rightly done. So now that you know that your Laravel is rightly installed, let's quickly jump to their documentation again. So Laravel is now rightly installed. It's time to create an application. So just copy this command now, and we are going to execute this command. So let's minimize our browser again and can close this command prompt. And on our desktop, let's create a new folder and let's give this folder name as Laravel-workspace. So go inside that folder. All of my Laravel project going to reside on this location. So select this address bar and type cmd to open your command prompt right at this location, and then just right click and paste that entire command. So this is the command that we'd like to execute to create a project called example-app, hit enter, and Laravel. So which type of application that you'd like to create? So on my previous videos, I have showed you how to create Laravel with React. In this video, I'm going to show you a basic Laravel project. So that's why I'm going to proceed with none and hit enter. Which testing framework you'd like to prefer? Would like to go with PHP unit. So type 1 and hit enter. Next, it is telling, do you want to install Laravel Boost to improve your AI assistant coding? So it's going to use Cloud Code AI as an AI assistant coding. So you want that, so just type yes and hit enter. And it's going to immediately start creating our project. And there you go. You can see that it is almost installed, and this time it is asking which database you'd like to use on your application. So basically it has given some options like SQLite, MySQL, MariaDB, or PostgreSQL or SQL Server. So again, on my previous videos, I have showed you each and every single databases that are mentioned over here. So you can use any database you want. For now, I'm going to point it to PostgreSQL. So I'll type PGSQL and I'm going to hit enter. You can use any one you like. So default database updated. Do you want to run the default database migration? For now, I don't want to migrate anything. I'll type no. So our composer.json has been updated. Now it is telling whether you like to run npm install. We don't want. I'll type no, and bingo, it is done. So let's go inside to our project example-app. So this is the project it has already created. Let's go inside to that project. So I'll copy this command and I'm going to hit enter. So now we are inside this example-app. So let's open this project on Visual Studio Code. So for that I'm going to type code space dot and hit enter. That's going to launch this entire project on Visual Studio Code. You can click on I trust the authors. So this is the project. Now let's see how to run this project. Click on terminal and click on new terminal. Here just simply type composer run dev. Hit enter. So that's going to start building our project. And within a while, it's going to give you this couple of links. So as you open this localhost 8000, so click on follow link, it's going to redirect to your browser and it's going to open our project Laravel version 12. Please do follow my other videos on our channel Geeky Script, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel and also join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.